Florida International University, which collapsed in 2018, and it collapsed during construction. And no, it didn't fall down because it was designed by women, but it's just a pity that it was used as the poster project for women in engineering and then collapsed the next day. One of the issues actually is nobody would speak up about the issues with this bridge. It was novel and it wasn't checked properly. The bridge was cracked even before it was erected. And once it was erected, the cracks got bigger and they had lots of meetings, including all the engineering staff there. And they pretty much dismissed the engineers' concerns for the cracking and thought the cracking would be solved by adding more load to it. And the result of adding more load to the bridge was that the bridge collapsed. And as I say, nobody was prepared to point out that the emperor had no clothes, because nobody likes to show their bare ass in public. Most of us don't. The issue is nobody likes to show their ignorance in public and are sitting in meetings thinking everybody knows what they're talking about. But sadly, that is not always the case. You may be the most knowledgeable person for that subject matter in the room. It's up to you to speak out. And the great Stan Lee gave a great line to Uncle Ben, because knowledge is power. And you have knowledge, you've all got degrees, you have some skills around engineering. And knowledge is power, but with great power comes great responsibility. So it's up to you to step up and use that. So sometimes you may be that one-eyed man in the kingdom of the blind. And sometimes you have to think, what's the worst that can happen? So for any engineering design or even any engineering decision, you need to think about who's it going to kill.